Yeah, just a test call, please. We're on the ground on a handheld.
If anyone got any questions about the kettle board, how they support Operation Patience, they're happy to oblige. So feel free to go and have a look if you wish, but don't get in it.
Don't touch anything, please, or if you do, let us know.
We're right, mate.
Hey?
Right.
Yeah, you wish.
I've done an airplane in my life, yeah.
Anybody got a helicopter? Got to ask, the last lot did.
Yeah, also the MD-900
Have you? It's 4.5 million. I think to buy it without the police stuff on it, it was just over 3 million. So the police equipment's quite expensive. It's bought originally as what we call a green machine. There's nothing in it whatsoever. It's like an empty shell. And we buy it and we strip it down. We put all our police kits in it. And it's got about 20 miles worth of additional police wiring inside it. And the camera alone's worth $750,000. It's all very expensive. 25,000 for a blade. 1,000 for a bolt that holds the blade on.
2 pilots and 1 officer.
No, we have one pilot.
One pilot.
1 pilot, 2 police observers. It's always a single pilot operation. So if the pilot dies while we're flying about, we're going down as well. Bye bye. Well, we're quite lucky with this helicopter. We've got automatic dumper.
In it for following
Yeah. This is.
One day I will pack everything I have and I will send it to you.
Any rain, wind, we can fly in. If it's too windy, we can't start the helicopter because the wind hits the blades and it will strike the tail, so we can't. And the force doesn't have enough money. We've had this one for 3 years.
We're just visiting. He wasn't there to have the whole training.
All right, okay.